What you say, Mama?
Yeah.
What you say?
Okay, they shouldn't get on the couch, and I fell on the couch.
Fell on the couch.
Yeah.
How you do that?
Okay, Grandma just say sorry to me. Okay, I'm very mad.
You very mad.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, Grandma, I just so very mad.
Why?
Okay, Grandma say sorry to me. I won't talk to her ever again.
Oh yeah? That's how you
Yeah.
feel?
Yeah.
You not gonna talk to Grandma ever again?
Nope.